What's up, Don? So welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Precious, aka Don Corleone, and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber and you skipped my last video, please go back. When you're done, you can come and catch up with the rest of us. Anyways, today we'll be doing this very simple beat. It's my go-to makeup look for whenever I don't want to do too much, but I still want to have that glammed up look. Hit that subscribe button before we get into this video. Like this video. Let me know in the comment section if this video came in handy, and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss out on any of my content. Let's get right into it. So you always want to start your makeup with a clean face. I've already washed, prepped and primed my face, so I'm going to be starting with my brows. I've never done a makeup tutorial, please, and I'm not a professional makeup artist. Nobody should call for me. I beg. I'm just doing what I know how to do best. So I'm going to outline my brows first before filling them in. This is not a particular brand that I think anybody knows. It's just some brow filler I bought here. It's a Chinese brand, but it's actually quite nice. I'm just going to use it to fill in my brows. It's called BENARS Eyebrow Pencil. I don't know what shade it's in. I don't remember what shade I got. I'm just going to go in and sculpt my brows. I guess everybody knows how to do brows. That's like the basic stuff, but for me, my brows take the most of my time. This is the early Girl Pro Conceal in the shade FAWN. That's what I'm using to sculpt the underside of my brows. Then I'm going to, when I'm done with that, I'm going to do the top side of my brows. Not everybody does that, but I like to do that to give my brows more definition. And I usually always sculpt with a small angled brush. So I'm done with my brows. I'm just going to blend that concealer out with a damp beauty blender. Damp, not wet. Alright, that's it for our brows. I'm going to go in with my MAC Prep and Prime and just use that to prime my face. I'm just going to let that dry off a bit. I'm going to go in my early Girl color corrector and just cover the dark spots I have. I usually used to put on my foundation first before I conceal, but with the new routine I've been using, I'm going to conceal first before I put on my foundation. So this method of applying your concealer actually accentuates your face more. I don't think what I'm trying to say. This right here was a mistake, so do this, not this. We're just going to let this sit for a while, for like 5 minutes, and then we'll blend it out. So I'll be going in with my contour cream in the shade Espresso. It's quite dark, so I use like just a little teeny weeny bit. So that's it for the creams. I'm done with my contour and sculpting my face. I'm just going to go ahead and use another layer of my MAC Prep and Prime. So you want to blend out your concealer properly before you apply the setting powder. You don't want creases when you're applying your setting powder, and I don't bake. I just use a brush to press in the setting powder lightly. Now that we're done with that, I'm going to go in with my pressed powder Milani in the shade 108 medium and just press it into the rest of my face and neck. I'll be going in with my contour powder from my Miss Rose contour palette, and I'll be using this shade right here. I'm just going to go in with a neutral shade from my Miss Rose palette. It's just like, is it 5 shades in here? just have to do my highlights and lips. I guess that's all I have left to do. If you can notice, my mascara stained my makeup a bit, and I'm not even going to bother, because if I try to fix it, I'm going to ruin everything. So we move. I'm just going to line my lips and use some lip gloss. I'll be using this gloss from GLOSSEDBYTUTU in the shade EST97. The packaging is very cute. I don't know if you can see. She actually sent me 2 glosses. She told me one of them is EST97. I don't know which is which. They look very, very cute. I think I'm going to go with this shade. She even put in a note. Dear Don Corleone, thank you so much. I really hope you like this lip gloss. Would love it if you can give a review on this product. Thanks once again. So let's see how this lip gloss feels. It smells so nice, you guys. It smells really, really nice. It smells like strawberries, but it smells like fruits. I actually love the smell. It's the smell for me, you guys. If you know me, you know I'm a gloss girl. I don't really use lipstick. There we go. I actually really love this gloss. It smells good. It feels good. Shout out to GLOSSEDBYTUTU. I'll leave her contact details in the description box for those of you that like what you see and you want to patronize her. Let's just highlight and set our face and we'll be done with this look. I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'll be using the Hot Sand shade to do my highlights.
It's a bad man thing, Bad girl make you wine to the face, nah. That thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything.
I'll just set my face and we're done. I will come back to you guys after I've styled my hair and I'll show you the final look.
And I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine up to the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want. Call on me.
So this is the final look done. It's very simple, very chic, and it was very easy to achieve. If you want to see more of this type of content, let me know in the comment section. Rate this look as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.
She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want more.